So I had this issue with my recycling bin. The wheel broke off. I gave the town a call. They weren't surprised. This happens all the time. They'll send someone down next week. They'll give me a new one, grab my bin and get rid of it. And I'm like, why would we just throw away a recycling bin just because the wheel's broken? Kind of defeats the purpose of recycling if that's the case. Let me take this problem in my own hands. So, pretty fun design project. And this is a solution I came up with. The bracket that goes around the shaft is just two little pieces, a little keyed feature that prevents it from sliding off, and then two socket head cap screws. And on the bottom end, I have a pause print embedded nut. You can't see it, but there's two nuts inside this print, completely captive within the part, and it's never gone fall out. The bracket slots around the shaft, and that's going to keep the bracket attached to the wheels. Next up, the wheel itself kind of has some treads on it, just so when I hit a crack, it doesn't stop in place. And then I use this honeycomb infill design because we can print faster if there's less material, and it's also going to be cheaper. And not to mention, I also think it just looks really cool. To prevent it from sliding out this way, I have this collar, and I have a screw that goes in on that side and then a nut on the other side to tighten it down and give it a lot of pressure, enough force that it won't slide out. And then from there, it's like the easy part is printing, right? Like it's a printer. You hit go and 12 hours later and have my new recycling bin wheel. Here's kind of what it looks like in the assembly. So put it beneath that shaft and assemble the top side, attach the wheel, and then add your collar. On the left side, that's the one that broke. On the right side is my 3D printed solution, fused filament fabrication. That's our 3D print process. It looks a little bit different, but it performs the same. Now the moment of truth. Will this actually survive the amount of force that the recycling bin truck is going to take when it lifts it up and then just smashing it back onto the ground? I actually didn't know. So this was the first time that the recycling bin truck picked it up. The jaws grab onto it, done with the recycling, and then drops down and moves on to the next house. Look at how high it is up in the air. You really need a strong part for this. I was amazed to see that this worked. It is completely fine. It's just a wheel, but it is a critical component to the function of this recycling bin. Instead of having to wait weeks for the town to come replace it and hope they did it in a sustainable way, I was able to make my own solution. So this is my part of the week. I hope everyone enjoyed.